to my channel. Another raw and vegan treat for you today. I'm going to show you how I make a blueberry oat slice. So let's get stuck in. Now the ingredients I'll be using today are 1 cup of oats, half a cup of peanut butter, 1/3 of a cup of coconut oil which is melted, 1/3 of a cup of maple syrup, half a cup of shredded coconut, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a cup of frozen blueberries. Now I have lined my square cake tin with some baking paper. Now to make the base, it's really simple. I'm going to mix together all of the ingredients except for the blueberries. So that's the oats, maple syrup, coconut oil, peanut butter, shredded coconut, and vanilla extract. Now that the oat mix has mixed together, I'm going to pop it into this baking tray. And I'm just going to pop that in the fridge while I make some chocolate to go on top of the slice. Now for the chocolate, I'll be using half a cup of cacao powder, half a cup of coconut oil which I've melted, and 1/3 of a cup of maple syrup. Now it's really easy to make this chocolate. I'm just going to mix all of the ingredients together until they're nice and smooth. Now to finish off the slice, I'm going to sprinkle the frozen blueberries on top of the oats and then top it with the chocolate. Now this slice just needs to go into the fridge until the chocolate has set, and then it's ready to eat. It's super easy to make, and it's even easier to eat this delicious slice. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next week. Bye.